Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a controller not working in Palworld. Let's fix it guys. First of all, I suggest you unplug any other unused controller or any kind of racing wheel if you have attached to your system, and then try to play the game. If controller still not working, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the Palworld on the desktop. You just need to right click on it and select properties, select the compatibility tab. You just need to check mark run this program as an administrator, select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, now you need to right click on the Steam and select run as administrator, select yes. Now you just need to go to library and now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If you are using the game in Epic Launcher, you need to add the game in Steam guys. To do this, you just need to select add a game, select add a non-Steam game. You just need to select browse in here, select browse it, and now you just need to navigate to the file location of the game, and after that you just need to click on the game and select open. And after doing this, you just need to check mark that game guys over here, check mark the game and select add selected programs. And after doing this, now launch the game in Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the Palworld and select properties. You just need to select the controller over here. In here you can able to see override for Palworld. You just need to click on this drop down and select disable Steam input, and after doing this close stuff here. Now you just need to go ahead and restart the Steam and then launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to open up Steam, click on the Steam tab over here and select settings. On left side you just need to select controller. In here, whichever controller you are using, you need to turn that feature on guys. First of all, turn on the Steam input for generic controller. You just need to turn it on. After doing this, if you are using Xbox controller, you just need to turn it on guys. If you are not using Xbox controller, you need to make sure to turn it off guys. And after doing this, you just need to select downloads on the left side. You just need to scroll down and select clear download cache, click on clear cache, select confirm. Now you just need to go ahead and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Nextly, if you are using Xbox controller, you need to add additional accessories by opening Microsoft Store. You just need to open it. In search, you just need to search for Xbox accessories. Click on the Xbox accessories and install it. Now before installing, you need to unplug the Xbox controller guys. After unplugging the Xbox controller, you just need to select the install option and install it guys. After the installation finish, you just need to open it. Now you just need to plug in your Xbox controller and simply follow the on-screen instruction. Once the Xbox controller is properly connected, you just need to go ahead to the Steam and launch the Palworld and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.